Performing this technique on a Sunday in July can attract prosperity and abundance into your life. Sundays are considered the day of triumph, success, and spirituality. By following this method, you can pay off debts and improve your financial situation, as long as you invest your faith and energy into it. To begin, gather the necessary materials: a green piece of paper, a pen of any color, a green candle for luck and money, and matches or wooden matches. Ensure that the area around your window is clean and purified, both hygienically and energetically, as windows are portals for energy. Start by taking the green piece of paper in your hands and rubbing it to activate and infuse it with your energy. Draw the infinity symbol on the paper to represent unlimited abundance. This symbol has been used since ancient times to claim the energies of money, power, and prosperity. The infinity symbol, often depicted as a horizontal figure 8, is a powerful emblem representing boundlessness, eternity, and endless cycles. In many cultures, it signifies the perpetual flow of energy and the unending possibilities of the universe. By incorporating the symbol into your ritual, you are tapping into a long-standing tradition of invoking limitless potential and continuous prosperity. On the back of the paper, write your wish related to luck and money in a positive and affirmative way. For example, I attract abundance and prosperity into my life, or luck and money flow to me easily. Roll the paper into a small cylinder with your wish inside. Next, light the green candle with the matches. Using tweezers, burn the piece of paper in the candle flame. Focus on your wish with faith and positivity, visualizing how luck and money come abundantly into your life. Gather the ashes once the paper is completely burned. Once the ashes have cooled, take them with your right hand. Go to your window, open it, and blow the ashes outside while repeating, "Luck and money flow to me easily." This action helps to attract money and economic opportunities into your life. Dedicate time to reflect on the things for which you feel grateful. Use positive affirmations to reinforce an abundance mentality, such as "I am worthy of abundance in my life," or "The universe always provides what I need." Avoid negative people and situations. Surround yourself with those who inspire and support you. If you encounter negative thoughts, replace them with positive and constructive ones. Once you receive the money you need, share what you can with others. This could be money, time, knowledge, or resources. Generosity can help you feel more abundant and attract more abundance into your life. Take care of your body and mind. Practice healthy habits to maintain physical and mental balance. Avoid vices that can affect your energy, as they bring misfortune. Cultivating positive and abundant thoughts is a process that requires practice and patience. Over time, you will see how your mentality transforms and attracts more positive things into your life. If you found this information helpful, share it with your friends and family. Write in the comments, "Luck and money flow to me easily." Thank you for your support.
Type Amen if you feel abundant. Remember to like this video, and give thanks. Watch this important message right now.